Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to grant applications permission to use our calendar functions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So to allow our app to have access to our calendar functions, we need to go to Settings, then in Security and Privacy, we have Privacy menu, and in here is Permission Manager. In Permission Manager, we have every possible permission that our phone can grant. We are interested in calendar. As you can see, right now, 5 out of 10 possible applications that can use calendar are allowed to use it. So let's add more. For example, we want our Outlook to use our calendar. Yes, allow, back out. And as you can see now, our Outlook application can use our calendar functions. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.